Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you joining us today for the first time, my name is Sobami Juliana. Today is Sunday. I will quickly want to say happy Sunday to you all. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. And today I'll be making this healthy breakfast with rolled oat. I'll show you guys how to make this healthy breakfast with rolled oats without any dairy products, without milk or any dairy at all. I'm gonna show you guys you can make this with any fruit of your choice. Today we are going to use a mango. So let me show you quickly what I use in making this healthy breakfast cereal. So here we have a mango, fresh mangoes. You see, I've already chopped them, and also bananas. You can add any amount of your choice. Here I use a 1.5 mango, and also a banana, 1 banana. And here we have a almond. This is almond nut. Yes. And this is the grounded almond. We are using the grounded one, but I just want to show you guys what is almond for those of you maybe you don't know what is almond. So this is almond. I grounded it with my blender. And also this is a flaxseed grounded. And here, this is the main ingredient, the major ingredient, the raw oat. This is the raw oat. It's different from the Quaker oat. It's different. You see how the flakes are, they are still big, like, you know. So you can get this in any of the healthy food store, or even Walmart. Sometimes they have it. It's organic. It's organic. So you can get it. I'll put down the list of all the ingredients I use on this video in my description box below. And also here I have my honey. You can choose to make it with sugar, but I think this is healthy. Sugar is not quite healthy for us, so that's why I'm going with honey, but a little bit honey, because even you can avoid adding honey, because the mango, they are already ripe. They are very sweet, and equally the banana, ripe banana, they are very, very sugary. So you don't need much of this if you decide to use honey, but you can make it without honey. Yeah, so and that's it. And this is my, like I said, this is blueberry. You can use it with strawberry. Sometimes I add strawberry. I don't have strawberry, but what I have at home right now, that's what I'm using. You can use papaya or pineapple. Depends, whatever you want to use. Just is for you. Whatever you like to, any fruit of your choice. So the first thing to do is this is still raw here. How to get it cooked? You boil hot water. Boil water in your pot, and add it. When the water boils, add it and leave it for like 5 minutes, and drain it. Use a sieve to sieve it, and you get it to this texture. It's not too saggy. It's still, you see, it's still flaky somehow. So the first thing, after cooking your oat, your raw oat, you put it in the plate. I'm making this for my kids, 3 people. So when you add this, I'll add my flax seeds, add my almond. This is grounded almond. I'm using this in place of dairy, because I told you this is non-dairy healthy cereal. So I'll add my grounded almond. You use your blender to blend it. And now I'll add my fruit, my mango and banana. You can add any fruit of your choice. And then I'll add little blueberry for now. So, and here I have a glass of water. The water will help you to mix it up properly. So I'll add my water now. The water, you can choose any quantity of water you want. and I'll mix up now. Mix everything. Okay, now I'll add a little honey. Just drizzle a little bit of honey. For me, when I eat it, I don't add honey, but my kids, they like it a little bit sweet and thirsty. So mix everything together. You see how I'm mixing it? At this stage, you can add more water depending on the texture you want. If you want it more thick, you add a little bit water. If you want it a little bit light, so I think I'll add more water. Let me grab some water here. Sorry, yes, I'll add a little more water. It's thick. It's too thick, so sorry, I'm making a little bit mess. So now it's almost ready. Just as easy as you get it done. You can put this in your lunch bag, or you can use this, eat this as lunch. And when you eat this, you don't get hungry all day. Like, you'll be so full of yourself. Like, you'll be so your body will be full. You don't easily get hungry again till the end of the day. Maybe by the time you come back home in the evening, you have your dinner. So that's why I love this. So, like, it's ready now. In order to complete it, sometimes I'll add little, like, spread little bit of almond, and then I put this to garnish it. And our healthy rolled oats flakes is ready. One of the healthiest breakfast. It makes you full and you don't get hungry. For those of you looking forward to lose weight, you want to reduce your weight, this is the best healthy breakfast for you. It's called rolled oats. You can get it at any of the grocery stores, like I said before. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys will give it a try, and leave your comment or any question on how to get this or how to get it done. Just leave your comment. I'll be glad to respond to your comments and your questions. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you. Remain blessed. Bye.